Here it is, you guys. Okay guys, today is October 17th. I'm back in the garage with the Galant. Saturday the 19th, it is Street Car Takeover. I haven't been making too many videos because my memory cards have been full. I finally got a new one and I got a bigger memory card. So I'm trying to do 80 frames per second instead of 60 to see how the quality might come out before 60 frames per minute. But anyways, the Galant, time to get it ready for Street Car Takeover. I need to do an oil change, dump out the catch can, toss this back seats back in. Gotta get those back in. I took the seats out when I went to go take it out racing, which is previous videos to this. You guys should have already have seen that. We use the awesome quick jack to get it under the car. I'm gonna remove the exhaust. I plan on doing the 12.0 index. I gotta turn it down a little bit because I know it's faster than 12 seconds. And the Mountain Street roll racing. And I plan on removing the exhaust as well. So put the seats back in, remove the exhaust. There's no exhaust restrictions that I saw. And last time that I went to Street Car Takeover in Tucson 2 years ago, I took off the exhaust. So yeah, here it goes. Let's go ahead and get that quick jack under it and make sure everything's good. There is still that weird punking noise. I don't know what it is, if it's the drive shaft or the rear axles. I don't know, but I'll get under there and I'll take a look at it. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, got it hooked up. For the quick jack, it's more ideal to run it in the back, but I'm not doing anything crazy besides an oil change, so I will adjust the line once and I get it up. So, make sure this doesn't get pinched. Keep that nice and back. Alright, let's go ahead and use my fancy button for up. Go around, double check it. Perfect, perfect. Let's see. Good and good. All right, let's bring her up. Alright, it's on the locks now. It is good. Let me release it just a little bit. Alright. Nice and high. It's freaking sick. Alright, let's go ahead and see what I want to do real quick. Alright, I moved the whole the line for the quick jack up so it's out of the way. Next time I am just going to put it in the back. I just kind of threw it up here. Threw some jack stands just in case anything crazy happens. I'm not fully committed to being under there just yet. But let's go on the not safer side of this. Let's go into the car. Alright, so some clicking noises, possibilities over here. A little bit of play versus this side. Much less play, if not nothing. Also, where I think my issue is, it's actually the drive shaft. God, that actually sounds like it. So, I need to get these bushings replaced. It'd be nice to get them replaced before tomorrow. Or tomorrow would be nice. Look at that. That is not good. So, I may have found the noise. And to undo the exhaust, it would be these two bolts, this hanger, and the rear hanger. Two hangers, I think, and this one here. I think this is the noise. I need to look at that. Damn. That's gotta be the noise. Okay. And coming up further. Let's see. A few little leak of maybe some oil. Little drip there. There's never anything in my garage, so it's fine. A little bit there. I want to replace that line eventually to a stainless steel line, if you guys can see it, or braided line, I should say. Other than that, everything else looks real good under here. All the bolts are there. Everything seems nice and tight. All I got to do is drain the oil and see what I want to do next. So I'll probably remove the exhaust as the oil's draining. Ugh. That's part of the handbrake right there. So yeah, the Sikky Hydraulic Handbrake, that's how my buddy did it. But alright, let's go ahead and get to draining the oil and removing the super silent exhaust. Oh, hopefully you guys were able to see anything. Alright, so talking with a friend, it is the OEM propeller shaft center bearing. If you guys can see that through my busted phone. So I need to order that from Extreme PSI. I need the front and rear one. They're $100. O'Reilly's AutoZone didn't have it. Spending $200 on that, it's $600 away from aluminum drive shaft. So I just gotta come up with the money. But that is an option. So aluminum drive shaft replaces, I believe, one of them, and I can't remember about the second one. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments whenever you guys see this video. Probably gonna be a few months from now, literally. But alright, now I'm done looking all that up. Let's go ahead and get this done. Oil change and remove the exhaust. Some bad news, guys, I believe. Let's just show you guys. don't know if you guys can see the big one right there. And I don't know if you guys can see the tiny speck. Let me see. I don't think you guys can see it, but you can definitely see that. Looks like turning it up may have hurt the motor. I do believe there are some shavings in there, probably bearing material. I hope not. I'm debating right now if I'm going to pull off the transfer case and pull, let me see, transfer case, and looks like the down pipe will have to come off. I don't know, I'm still debating. But this sucks. This is, it might be time for a built motor, so I guess, that's semi good news, but not right now. I don't have what it takes to do this stuff right now. Yeah, there goes another piece that came out. Fudge. Yeah. I don't think it's worth taking off, removing the motor. Give me a second, let me think about it. Man, this is a bummer. Give me one. I'm gonna sit and think and debate what I want to do right now. Well, guys, I'm pretty sure the motor is a going. I wanted to check the oil filter, but of course my dumbass dropped it into the bad oil pan. I dropped it in there, so couldn't really check it. Yeah, guys, I'm super bummed. My goal was to make 500 horsepower on this motor and stretch it to a high 10-second stock block. I don't know the mileage on this motor. There could be 100,000+, but for 2 years I have been beating the crap out of this motor. So, guys, support me. Like, subscribe, share. But super bummed. Trying to think. Next video, I may pull off the oil pan, or I may just throw on an oil filter, put some oil in it, and just be able to drive it in and out of the driveway until I'm ready to replace the motor. But like, subscribe, share, guys. If I have to get a built motor, it's gonna take a lot. It's gonna take a lot. Remember, I have a little one on the way. So this isn't like a super priority. It's the best way to put it. But I do want to continue to create content, and the Integra is going to be back very soon, and Trailblazer videos very soon. Sentra, I'm still waiting on the motor, but not happy, guys. Not happy at all. But like, subscribe, share, and we'll see what happens next. Thanks, guys.